Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's continue our chapter which is wind, storm and cyclone. In the offline classes, we have completed how the winds are generated. Now as the live classes are going on, those students who couldn't able to conduct the live classes, who couldn't able to attend the live classes, for them we are going to upload the video. So up till now in the live class we have completed about thunderstorm. So today in this video I will going to explain you once again what do you mean by the term thunderstorm. So here comes. So first let's understand the definition of thunderstorm. So basically thunderstorm is a natural phenomenon which is having four different events which is simultaneously going on. That is number one, strong wind. Number two, that is heavy rainfall. Third one, that thunder sound and the lightning. Combination of all these four events will going to form the thunderstorm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Storm means what? Storm means strong blowing winds. That is known as thunderstorm. Now moving to the next one, that thunder means what? So you know that after lightning, after couple of seconds of lightning, we can hear a huge sound that is named as thunder. So combination of all these four events gathered and form the natural phenomenon that is named as thunderstorm. Now let's understand where the thunderstorms are vulnerable. So thunderstorms are vulnerable in the hot and humid tropical areas. You know that in the 7th chapter we understood that from 0 degree latitude to 30 degree latitude, whatever the whole stripes are there, that is considered as a tropical region. That will include South Africa, South Asia and Central America. So these places usually faces the thunderstorm. So thunderstorms develop in hot and humid tropical areas like India. The rising temperature produces strong upward winds. These winds carry water droplets upwards where they freeze and then fall down. And this swift movement of falling water droplets along with the rising air creates lightning and sound. This whole phenomenon is known as thunderstorm. This is the basic introduction. Now we are going to understand this thunderstorm with the help of diagram. So just listen to me carefully. So look over here in the diagram, students. The hot and humid climate is there usually in the tropical region. Due to that reason, the air which is present over the land, that is considered as a warm air. And now you know that warm air always rises up, right or not? So due to that reason, what will happen? These warm air will going to rise up like in a manner. Now at high altitude, when this air now at a high altitude over here, what will happen? At a high altitude, this warm air will cool down, or should I say condensed. This warm air getting condensed and release its heat into the atmosphere. Means this warm air rises up, and at high altitude, whatever the heat which has been stored inside the warm air, it is going to be released in the atmosphere and it will get cooled down and form this kind of clouds, huge clouds. So this is the first thing. Now moving to the next one. Moving to the next content, which is that when the warm air risen up, at that time, when the warm air risen up, at that time, whatever the heat which has been released by this warm air, it will make the atmosphere more warmer in nature, means it is already warm, and as warm air also releasing its heat and get condensed, means more heat will going to be produced, hence it will going to result into the updraft. Updraft means strong, fast blowing upward air, that is known as updraft. Okay, so this will going to be formed. Okay, in the diagram also you can easily able to see that this warm air rises up over here, it will get cools down, okay, and immediately releasing heat into the atmosphere and forms the ice crystal. Rapidly, immediately it is going to release the heat into the atmosphere, hence it is converted into ice crystals. Now the cool air which rush from the other sides, okay, that is also becoming warm and rises up. So this will going to results into strong upward winds. So event number 1, we understood that how strong winds are generated in the thunderstorm. Now moving to the next one, the second thing we're going to understand the condensation process. So condensation process results into heavy water droplets, okay, and this will going to be stored inside the clouds, okay, and then after it will going to fall down with a huge speed, okay, causes heavy rainfall. Moving to the next one, the next content is lightning. So let's see how lightning are formed. So you see over here that as the strong winds are blowing upward direction, due to that reason these clouds are going to rubbed with each other. These clouds are going to rubbed with each other, and due to this reason what will happen? Due to this reason, as two clouds are rubbed together, they get charged. They get charged, whether it is positively charged or negatively charged. Imagine over here that grounds are also acting as a positive charge. So whatever the substance which is present on the ground, that is considered, whether it is living or non-living, it is considered as a positively charged. Some clouds become negatively charged, some clouds will become positively charged, and we know that opposite always attracts. Okay, so the negative charge are attracted towards the positive charge. At one time their attraction power will be maximum. At that time the charge will shift from negative to positive, and due to this reason you will going to see the lightning stroke within inside the cloud or from the cloud to the ground, like in a manner. Okay, so at that time this lightning is having strong electric current in the megawatts, so that will definitely resulting into more heating effect. So as the lightning stroke is going on, okay, it will going to heat the air which is present in the atmosphere, and due to that reason this air is going to start expanding. जैसे ही कोई भी गैस को अगर हीट मिले ना तो वो एक्सपांड होना शुरू कर देता है. So due to this reason these air molecules got heat, and due to that reason they are start expanding themselves. Due to that reason the molecules are getting colliding with each other, एक दूसरे के साथ टकरा जाएंगे, and that will going to resulting into a sound named as thunder sound, that resulting into thunder sound. Okay, so like this way lightning with thunder sound with a strong heavy rainfall and wind speed, creating the phenomenon which is named as thunderstorm. So I hope you understood the content. next time I will going to explain you what is tornado and what is cyclone. So till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye.